I think you all have seen videos that are minimal or even less edited, without much of reaction or even background sound. Well, this is all happening because people are tired of watching videos just made to retain them on the platform. All the content going viral on YouTube these days have one thing in common, which is they look a little grainy, imperfect in lighting, imperfect in the way that they edit those videos and present to their audience. And that's not because the algorithm is changed. That's because the people who consume content have changed a lot with their behavior on the platform. People are bored of watching those highly edited videos with flashy sounds and animation. People these days they want to engage with the real, authentic looking content, which is why they engage with the imperfections, such as lack of editing or a little fumble in your speech. Because perfectly looking content, which is possibly shot in a great studio, well, that looks like a propaganda now just made to sell you something. You have to remember, as a brand or a personal brand, if you are creating content for YouTube or even a social media, show your imperfections to build trust and be authentic as you are, so that the audience engages with you. At the end, it's not about the algorithm, it's about the people consuming your content. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video and let me know what you think in comments below. See you in the next one.